Hi viewers, how are you all? Hope everyone is doing well. Today I will review a Samsung 5G mobile. Then it's not too late. Let's start. Flex mode. Free up your hands with flex mode on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This smartphone stands on its own, so you can take notes during a conference call or follow along with instructional videos in real time. Sharp, stunning and share-worthy shots. Take share-worthy pics and videos hands-free with the rear camera of Galaxy Z Fold 4. Selfie camera that hides under your screen. Enjoy an uninterrupted screen with an under-display selfie camera. Selfie camera that hides under your screen. Enjoy an uninterrupted screen with an under-display selfie camera. Turn your handwriting into text with S Pen. Write out your thoughts with S Pen and watch them turn into text. A reliable, improved battery. Our improved battery for Galaxy Z Fold 4 keeps you powered up and ready for the day. Switching to Samsung Galaxy is simple. Bring your photos, settings and calendar dates with you when you switch to Galaxy. Hands-free video. Don't stay stuck to your cell phone. Set up your phone in flex mode and check off your to-dos while catching up with friends. Hands-free video chat lets you multitask and move freely while staying in frame. Strong, sleek, sturdy. Strong, sleek, sturdy. Take on your day with our most reliable folding screen technology. Your phone and watch work as one. Unfold the possibilities of your Galaxy Z Fold 4 connected to your Galaxy Watch. Use your watch to snap hands-free selfies with flex mode. Plus, keep track of your day by easily switching between your Galaxy Watch and phone. S Pen ready. Transform your Galaxy Z Fold 4 into a multifunctional device with S Pen. It gives you that pen on paper feeling and makes it easy to take notes while attending virtual meetings, drag and drop content, and get more done. Multi-view window. Easily attend a virtual work meeting and capture important notes at the same time, or catch up on your favorite shows as you answer texts. With multiple windows, doing different tasks is easy with Galaxy Z Fold 4. Charge fast. Flex more. Super fast charging gets your Galaxy Z Fold 4 up and running quickly. Big screen, big sound. Need to head out while you're in the middle of your favorite podcast? Slide Galaxy Z Fold 4 into your pocket and keep listening with your Galaxy Buds. Unfold connectivity with your smartphone and buds working together.